part of me I never let you see. I keep it caged, but I can't come.
Okay, we're here, quick and dirty unboxing. I gotta be at work. I gotta leave for work in 15 minutes, so I'm not gonna spend tons of time on this. I just finally got my e-bike order. Really excited about it. We're gonna do the unboxing. Cold steel, leather neck, K-bar. The only appropriate knife for unboxing awesomeness. It's not a box of awesomeness, just so people don't get confused. It's an order I put in. It's my preferred knife for opening U.P.S. packages. I know everybody talks about, oh, what if you use big knives? Well, I like big knives. That's why I use big knives. It's not even a big knife, it's just a K-bar. Alright. Super excited. Got some empty air packs. Don't know why they threw those in there. They're supposed to look like that. Those ones obviously deflated. First things first, there's my WE M1911. I'll get to that in a second. Gotta love their filler gun box. More gun poppies. Yay for poppies. Alright. So, kind of get the dumb, boring stuff out of the way first. Got my silicone oils. Yay. Got my squishy grenade. Got my $1 super quality Springer airsoft pistol for $1 because I wanted to. Dead rag. Pretty nice dead rag actually. I like it. Nice and reflective. Let everyone know I'm dead. Don't shoot me. Oh, data. We got the multi-shot shotgun. $50 shotgun. Spare mag for the 1911. Other spare mag for the 1911. Interesting. One of them is in the bag, one of them was not. There's a speed loader. Here's my two things of batteries for interesting. Anyways, ordered for a 12. Yep, there's 12 batteries for my nice flashlight. And yes, there's my new M16 ink pen. I'll be taking it with me to work.
Is that loaded?
Yes, it is. Fully loaded. Got a mag for my KWA, another one that'll fit, so now I got 3 that fit instead of just 2. And more shells for my, I got the ones with the green ones. I didn't want the green ones, but that's fine. I want a red and black, but I got some red or some black. I like that those look quite realistic. And I'm sure this is just my BBs. Pretty certain. They probably double pack them so that they don't end up all over the place, because that would suck to pay money for BBs that end up exploding on the way to you. I would be aggravated at the least, actually. So I'm glad that they do that. Just to be sure there's nothing else in there. Come on. Yep, okay, just a bag of BBs. That's what I thought. Okay, bag of BBs. Now we got this out of the way. Got my little airsoft enthusiast over here. He likes knives as well as firearms. Chip off the old block. Little gun, some mags. Alright, wow, these mags are hefty. I like them. They're feel nice. Okay, first things first. Kind of the end of this first video. I'm going to be putting out a quick and dirty unboxing of this here in 2 seconds, but I'm going to put it as a different video. So, thank you for watching. Keep watching. We're going to have lots more coming.